Oh my, let's take a look at this 1994 Cadillac. This one's amazing. 94 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. White in color with a dark cherry interior. All right, get ready. This car has less than 5,000 miles on it. 4,354 miles, I believe is what the odometer shows right now. Underneath the hood of these, of course, 5.7 liter General Motors V8 power. That is paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. I did notice one little spot. If the previous owner caught a little something in the front of his garage, there's a little rub strip missing a spot there. But take a look at the chrome and everything else up in the front here. Paint, very presentable on this one. As far as the Carfax, no accidents indicated. I have not noticed any paint work. Confirms the miles. So clean Carfax, do have clean title on this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. These Fleetwoods do not seem to stick around here very long. Riding on the stock alloy wheels that this would have came with. Of course, you can see the chrome rockers down on the bottom. And take a look up and down this passenger side. I do not see really anything for dings, nicks, or scratches. Now, I did mention dark cherry interior, absolutely beautiful in this car. Of course, split bucket seats up front. It kind of gets a little washed out with the lighting. When I get around to the other side, be able to see the interior a little bit better. One thing the technician did note in the back is the stereo, and this still stock stereo, wasn't up. Also left the rear windows rolled down. I want to show you that interior in the back, also the back seat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the chrome rear of this car, also looking good. What you'd expect on a little over 4,000 mile car. Of course, you can see the white vinyl top, very elegant on this car. Great color combination, and with all the chrome also. All right, take a look at this rear seating area. I don't know if that's ever been sat in. Of course, this would have power steering, power brakes, AC, all the amenities that you're going to get on a early 90s, mid 90s Cadillac. Take a look at this power seat, memory seating, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, of course. This one even has heated seats, both sides, with lumbar control over here on the driver's side, power seat passenger side. Very comfortable car to cruise in, no doubt about that. Twilight Sentinel down here, of course, tilt and cruise. Light flashing is a security light, so that is. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you the exact miles. All right, there's your exact miles, 4,354. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. Until this car was stored indoors. Check out the top of that dash. No sun fade, cracking, anything like that. Interior is immaculate. Like I said, the only thing we did note was the stereo system was in op. Climate control. Headliner, all in good shape. Let's take a peek at that. And again, you get a little bit better there, get a good idea what the dark cherry color is all about. Almost a deep wine. All right, let me see if I get that. There you go. That gets you an idea. See the vanity mirrors in the rear, of course, the Fleetwood Brougham would have. Headliner, good shape. Slip around to the back of this. It's what you'd expect a Cadillac to sound like. Very smooth, very quiet. What a car to take down the road. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Let's see, let's first take a look at the hood liner and keep, again, the glare out of the camera. Very clean hood liner. Does not appear this car has been driven any sort of inclement weather. The other thing you'll always point out is where you have these bolts, if there's been any sort of tools on them, anything like that. Fenders seem to have been moved. Kind of an indication of an accident or something being tweaked. Nothing. Looks good on this car. Again, 5.7 liter power steering, power brakes, AC. Listen how smooth that runs, and you know that's a bulletproof engine, no doubt about that. So there you go. 1994 Cadillac. Fleetwood Brougham. Clean Carfax, low miles. Original color, original interior. Very nice looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, check out probably nearly 100 pictures of this car from the inside, the underside, interior on our website. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.